Hello everyone, and welcome to our how-to training videos. Today, I'm going to present you how to invite your clients to your store. To invite your clients to your store, you will need either their email addresses or their mobile phone numbers. You can actually use a combination of email addresses and mobile phone numbers to invite your clients to download the Shopper app from Apple App Store or Google Play Store. The invitation will also provide information on how to connect to your store using your store code. This is how it works. In your store, you need to tap on the Send Invitation menu item. A window opens with several fields in it. Tap on the first line to choose which application you want to send your invitation for. Select the Shopper app. The second line will then get populated automatically, but you cannot change its content. In the next larger space, you need to enter one or several email addresses, each one on a separate line. For the mobile phone numbers, it's similar. In the space below the email addresses section, enter one phone number per line. Important: mobile numbers must be exactly 10 digits, in US, if you are not using the country code. But if you want to use the country code, like +1 for US, you must start the number with +1. You can also use some signs to separate the numbers, like open and close parentheses, or the dash sign, or the separation dot. Here is an example with several email addresses, one per line. Contact us at omtreksoft.com, next line, support@omtreksoft.com, and finally next line, sales@omtreksoft.com. And here are some valid phone numbers. 310-555-1234, then next line, +1, 510-555-1234, and again next line 650-555-1234, and finally next line, +1, 810-555-1234. Also, when entering mobile phone numbers, you must avoid an empty final line, as it will display a message, considering that you entered an invalid number. So please make sure the last line is a phone number, and not an empty line. Our recommendation is that you first prepare your list of emails and phone numbers, and arrange them as one email address per line, and one phone number per line. And again, no empty final line in the phone numbers section. And then, copy and paste them by small groups, in their space on the Send Invitation page. Smaller groups will allow you to make sure there is no problem. Indeed, you should not send invitations to too many emails or phone numbers at the same time. That's because you may run the risk of failing many invitations, and having to start all over again, which may also cause some of your clients receive several invitations, and get upset, considering them as spams, while others may not receive any invitation at all. So, try with, let's say, a group of 5 emails and phone numbers, and then, after successful transmission, try with another group of 5, and so on. As shown, you can send emails, or text messages, or a combination of both. But again, please make sure you have correctly formatted them, as otherwise, many invitations may fail and cause disappointment. One last point. You should first try with your own email address and mobile phone number, to get comfortable with the invitation process, before sending it to your clients. And please keep track of the invitations that you have already sent, to avoid spams. If you need more information, please email us all your questions to contact us at omtreksoft.com, or call us, or fax us, at 1-855-558-0808. This ends our training video, how to invite your clients to your store. And thanks for watching.